the wave of COVID-19 is going on in Rajasthan, in which a situation all schools are closed and children are not studying all. Okay, it is the responsibility of all of us to focus on our studies and by taking our knowledge and our studies back online. Our IPS school has started its online classes again, which will also have our recorded videos, and our live classes will also do well. You all have to take advantage of these. My dear student, we have started our first chapter of history, in which we have already completed Let's Begin portions. So now today we have to discuss part second of this chapter. Yes, my dear, pay attention and our class, let's start it. You will see a picture, okay? Inside this picture, two girls are discussing about something. My dear student, I mean to say that here they are talking about the events of the past. Let's see what are they talking. Yes, my dear, these girls are talking about the past events like in this way. Two girls are there, Neeta and Jeba. Neeta say something, "Hey Jeba, which book are you reading?" Jeba reply, "It is a book about the people who lived thousands of years ago." Neeta again asks from Jeba, "Thousands of years ago? Why are you studying about people who existed thousands of years ago and what they did? What can we know about the people living so many years ago? Can we know how and where people lived in the past? Yeah, about what kinds of work people did in the past. Is it possible to know what games people played so many years ago?" After this conversation listening, what do you think? Neeta and Jeba, a lot of talking between to them. My dear student, you know that Neeta has a lot of questions on her mind, but she can't reply. Okay, she can't questions from the Jeba. My dear student, today is your work. You have to fill up, you have to frame 5 or 6 more questions which is create on her mind. You have to frame in your blanks. Open your page number 2 and here is one exercise. Let's find out. So I will give some suggest या guideline कि which types of questions you have to prepare. Look at the whiteboard. One question related to, she is reading a book related to Rig Veda. Okay, it's a holy book and it belongs to past. Rig Veda as a source of information. You have to put right a heading like in this way, and now you start your question frame. First question is, when do you think that book was written? A long time back? Yeah, recently. So your answer should be a long time back, because Rig Veda belongs to a past. Now second question is, you have to prepare like in this way. Is the book printed? Yeah, handwritten. So your answer should be there, handwritten. Okay. Now third question, you have to prepare. Can you read some of the written letters? Okay. So yes, we have some of the written letters. Now another questions you have to prepare like in this way. In which language do you think the book was written? So your answer should be Sanskrit. Maybe modified or converted into Hindi now after those days. So my dear student, in this way you have to prepare your let's started or find out these questions. Now our next topic is the early settlers of the Indian subcontinents. Okay, our chapter started from this heading. So first questions put up from this para. What do you mean by Indian subcontinents? So let's see. The Indian subcontinent is a physiographical region in southern Asia, situated on the Indian plate and projecting southwards into the Indian Ocean from the Himalayas. It means to say, my dear student, the Indian subcontinent मतलब जो अपना भारतीय उपमहाद्वीप है वो एक फिजियोग्राफिकल रीजन है. फिजियोग्राफिकल मीन्स यू कैन से प्राकृतिक जो भौगोलिक भूभाग है वो है वैसा क्षेत्र है इन साउथर्न एशिया. और ये कहाँ है? जो अपना साउथर्न एशिया है या दक्षिणी एशिया है उसके अंदर सिचुएटेड ऑन द इंडियन प्लेट. और कहाँ ये सिचुएटेड है, कहाँ लोकेटेड है? ये इंडियन प्लेट के ऊपर लोकेटेड है एंड प्रोजेक्टिंग. और वहीं इसको प्रोजेक्टिंग किया गया है साउथवर्ड्स इनटू द इंडियन ओशियन, जो अपना भारतीय महासागर है उसकी तरफ, फ्रॉम द हिमालयाज. और कहाँ से इसका जो क्रिएशन या ओरिजिन है? फ्रॉम द हिमालयाज. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू मीन बाय हिस्ट्री? हिस्ट्री से हम क्या समझते हैं? इट मीन्स टू से द स्टडी ऑफ द पास्ट इवेंट्स इज कॉल्ड हिस्ट्री. कि जो पास्ट की जितनी भी घटनाएं हैं, इवेंट्स हैं, इंसिडेंट्स हैं, और वो जब हमें प्रेजेंट में पता चलती हैं तो वो क्या बन जाती है? हिस्ट्री बन जाती है. अनदर क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डू वी नीड हिस्ट्री? तो अब ये क्वेश्चन हमारे सामने आता है कि हमें हिस्ट्री की आवश्यकता क्यों है? पास्ट को जानने की इतनी आवश्यकता क्यों है? तो इट मीन्स टू से हिस्ट्री टेल्स अस अबाउट द ओरिजिन ऑफ अवर सोसाइटी एंड अवर बिलीव्स. कि जो हिस्ट्री है वही हमें बताती है, ओरिजिन मीन्स क्रिएशन, अपनी उत्पत्ति, ऑफ अवर सोसाइटी, कि हमारे सोसाइटी की उत्पत्ति कब हुई है, एंड बिलीव्स, जो विश्वास थे, ट्रेडिशंस थे, कस्टम्स थे, उन कस्टम्स कैसे क्रिएट हुए और कैसे वो हमारे पास पहुंचे. आपके माइंड में भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते होंगे कि पास्ट कैसा था, पास्ट के जो पीपल्स थे उनकी जो लाइफ कैसी थी, उनका जो ईटिंग मेथड कैसा था, उनकी जो क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते थे, विच टाइप्स क्रॉप्स क्रॉप्ड या शोव्ड, विच टाइप ऑफ फूड दे एट, एंड अदर थिंग्स, ऑर्नामेंट, क्लॉथ्स, सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस पुट आउट योर माइंड. क्योंकि जो पास्ट के अंदर हम डीपली जितना जाएंगे उसमें हमारे जो क्वेश्चंस है वो हमारे माइंड में क्रिएट होते रहेंगे कि प्रेजेंट डे और जो हमारा पास्ट इवेंट्स है, जो ह्यूमन बींग्स थे, उनकी लाइफ, उनका जो रहन सहन था, उनके जो वियर्स थे, क्लॉथिंग थे, उनकी जो ऑर्नामेंट्स थे, उनका जो फूड था वो कैसा था. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, टुडेज योर असाइनमेंट इज यू हैव टू कॉपी फ्रॉम द videos and read and watch again and again. Okay, my dear student, till now, have a nice day.